Hello students, welcome back Seven Hills High School online classes. Students, in previous class we discussed about number system. In number system we have two types of systems. One is Indian place value chart, another one is international system of numeration. One is Indian system of numeration, second one is international system of numeration. And also we discuss what is the place value chart. Here we represent, see here, in Indian system we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. So, and also discuss how to expand a number by using Indian system of numeration. And also discuss how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending orders. In ascending order means smallest to biggest number. In descending order means biggest to smallest. Yes, now students, in today's class we discuss second type of number system, that is the place value chart of international system of numeration. So here these are called periods, these are called place values. Now see here, ones, the periods is ones, thousands, millions. So in ones period we have ones, tens, hundreds. Next, in thousands period we have thousand, 10,000s, 100,000s. Here in thousands period we have thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. In Indian system here we have 10,000s after lakh, but here 100,000s. Remember children, 100,000s. Next, millions. In millions period we have millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. In millions period, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So once how to read this place value chart, once I will say, listen. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. So it is the process for how to read the place value chart of international system of numeration. So see here, tens. Tens means we have 1 0, hundreds means 2 zeros, thousands means 3 zeros, 10,000s means 4 zeros, 100,000s means 5 zeros, millions means 6 zeros, 10 millions means 7 zeros, 100 millions means we get 8 zeros. So, and also in Indian system of numeration, we can separate the numbers, first 3 digits, next every 2 digits. Same here, but international system, we can separate the numbers by using commas, every 3 digits. Don't forget the simple difference between Indian system and international system. That is, in Indian system we separate every digits 2 digits. Next in international 3 digits we separate the commas. See once here, observe here, see here, 100,000s, millions, 1 2 3, next 3 zeros, 1 2 3, like this we will separate the digits. Now students, how to expand a number by using international system of numeration. the place value chart of international system. Yes, let us come to first example. It is the given number. Now, here first we separate the number by using commas. That means first ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Next, what will come? Yes, 100,000s. 100,000s. Now, see here, first, the first digit is in 3. 3 into 3 is in the place of 100,000s. That means 100,000s. Okay. Next, plus 5. 5 into the digit in 5 is 10,000s place. 10,000s means 10,000s. 10,000s. Next, 2. 2 into 1,000 plus 6. 6 is in hundreds place. 6 into 100 plus 2. 2 is in tens place. 2 into 10 plus 8 into 1. Now, 3 into 100,000s means how much? 100,000s means lakh. Plus 50,000s plus 2,000 plus 600 plus 20 plus 8. 3 into 100,000s, we get 300,000s plus 5 into 10,000, 50,000 plus 2 into 1,000, 2,000s plus 6 into 100, 600 plus 20 into 10, 2 into 10, 20 plus 8 into 1, 8. Now we can write this. Finally, we can write international system. See here, 352,000s. 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 628. 628. Yes, it is 352,628. Now these we can write in numbers, number name. Three 352,000 628. 28. Yes, 352,628. It is the expanded form of a given number by using international system of numeration or place value chart of international system. So once see here, first whatever the given digits, first we can separate it like this: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. But Indian system, 100,000s means 1 lakh. That means lakh. We can read as there lakh. Here 100,000s. Now first 3 into 10 100,000s plus 5. See here 5 into 10,000 plus next digit 2 into 1,000, 2 into 1,000 Next 6, the digit 6 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So finally we get 352,628. It is one example. Now we are moving to discuss one more example by using the international system. Yes, second example. It is the largest number here. So first we separated the values: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Next 100,000s. Next 100,000s means we already discussed lakh. 100,000s after here millions. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, next millions. Now first students, 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. So here 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. 1 million is equals to 10 lakhs. That means see here, yes, 1 lakh. Once we check, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 10 lakh. But here international system means we divide three digits. Every 3 digits we can keep the comma here. So it is 10 lakhs. Now see, the digit 7 is in millions place. That means 7 into 1 million plus 5 into 100,000s. 100,000s plus the digit 2. 2 is in 10,000s. 2 into 10,000s. Next plus 6 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 0 into 1. Yes. Now see, 7 into million plus 5 into 100,000s plus 2 into 10,000 plus 6 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 0 into 1. Now we expand like this. Now 7 plus 5 is in 100,000s means 500,000s. 500,000s plus 2 into 10,000s means 20,000s plus 6 into 1000, 6,000 plus 5 into 100, 500 plus 90 plus 0 into 1, 0. Now finally we can write 7 millions that is the number, but by using international system we can separate the digits by every three digits. See here, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. Yes, the number is ready to read now. 7,526,000. 7,526,590. Yes, 7,526,590. 590. The given number is 7,526,590. It is the process for how to expand a given number by using international system of numeration. Now students, how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order by using international system of numeration. Let us come to example. We discuss first how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Ascending and descending order. How to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. We already discussed in ascending order what is the rule? Yes, smallest to biggest number. In descending order means simply we can write reverse order, that means the biggest to smallest. Now, but here how to write ascending and descending by using international system of numeration. Yes, now first example. It is given numbers. Now first we can divide it place value chart, that is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Next what will come? Yes, 100,000s. Don't forget, not lakh, 100,000s. 100,000s. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Now we will separate it by commas. What I said, in international system every 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, enough. Here no digits here. Next, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, first, what are these numbers? Once we will read. See here, hundred thousands. That means it is 356,240. What is this? 356,240. Next, 75,620. 75,620. Next, 392,640. Next, 70,245. Now, children, now it is very easy to arranging ascending order. So, what will come first number here? First ఏ నెంబర్ వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. ఇక్కడ చూడండి 75,620. These are 100,000s. First we comparing 10,000s place. Here 75,000. Here 70,000. Yes, first ఏ నెంబర్ రాస్తాం మనం ఇప్పుడు 70,000 రాస్తాం. Ascending order. Ascending order. So first a number 70,245. Next 75,620. Now ఇప్పుడు మనము 100,000s లో 2 numbers ఉన్నాయి. So first we will comparing that. Here see 356,000s. There 392,000. సో ఈ రెండిట్లో చిన్న స్మాల్ ఏంటి 356 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ 392 ఉంది. సో స్మాలెస్ట్ ఈస్ yes 356,000. Next number we can write this 356,240. Next remaining is the biggest, that is 392,640. It is the process for the numbers arranging in ascending order, smallest to biggest. So first we can dividing each number by using place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So every number we can divide it like this. Next, why means why here we have to do like this means ఎందుకు ఇలా చేయాలి అంటే మనము ఈజీగా ఇచ్చిన నెంబర్స్ని అవి స్మాలెస్ట్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ అనేది ఈజీగా మనము ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? ఇట్ ఈస్ ద లా షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్. సింపుల్ మనం ఇలా అరేంజ్ చేసుకుంటే ఈజీగా మనము ఏది స్మాలెస్ట్ ఏది బిగ్గెస్ట్ మనకు తెలిసిపోతుంది. దీంట్లో ఇంకో మెథడ్లో కూడా రాయొచ్చు. దట్ మీన్స్ ఫస్ట్ స్మాలెస్ట్ బిగ్గెస్ట్ని రాసేసుకోవచ్చు, రిమైనింగ్ మిడిల్ నెంబర్స్లో అరేంజ్ చేసుకొని మనము ఈజీగా రాయొచ్చు, అలా కూడా మనము రాయొచ్చు. ఓకేనా? సో ఇట్ ఈస్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. నెక్స్ట్ వీఆర్ మూవింగ్ టు నెక్స్ట్ వన్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. So next it is one more example here. Yes, so first ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Next ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Next, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. So first we can write by using place value chart of international system. Now I already said to separate this as commas. See here, 1, 2, 3, every 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now students, see here, first these are 100,000 place values, these two. Next, these are 10,000 place. So here 39,000, it is 39,264. Here 25,420. In the two, which one is smallest there? Yes, 25,420. So first, which one is smallest, which one is largest? First మనము ఇవి రెండు కనుక్కున్నామంటే రిమైనింగ్ ఈజీగా రాసేయచ్చు. సో టోటల్ ఓన్లీ 4 డిజిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఒక డిజిట్ స్మాలెస్ట్, ఇంకొక డిజిట్ ఇంకొక నెంబర్ని గ్రేటెస్ట్ నెంబర్ రాసేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ 2 ఈజీగా మనం కనుక్కోవచ్చు. సో ఫస్ట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 25,420. నెక్స్ట్ కమింగ్, see here, it is 542,000s. 542,000s. Next number is 726. In these two, which one is biggest? Can you say? Yes, 726,000. That is the biggest. So now you can write ascending order. Ascending order. We can రైట్ హియర్ నంబర్స్ ఆల్సో. ఇక్కడ మనము నంబర్స్ రాసుకోవచ్చు, ఏది ఫస్ట్ వస్తుంది, ఏది సెకండ్ వస్తుంది. అప్పుడు మనము ఈజీగా ఇక్కడ ప్రజెంట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఫస్ట్ టైం వస్తుంది చెప్పండి. ఎస్, ఇట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ సెకండ్, ఎస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ థర్డ్ వన్, ఇట్ ఈస్ 4. ఇలా కూడా మనము నెంబర్స్ పెట్టుకొని ఈజీగా సపరేట్ చేయొచ్చు. సో ఫస్ట్ అసెండింగ్ ఆర్డర్ 25,420. Next second, yes, 39,264. Next third one, 542,652. Next fourth one is 7. Yes, it is ascending order of given numbers. 25,420, 39,264, 542,652. Next 726,520. It is the ascending order. Next descending order. Descending order. I already said to you, very easy. Once we will arrange the numbers in ascending order, then descending order is very easy. Why? Last to first, reverse. We can write the numbers reversing order. So that is 726,520, 542,652, 39,264, 25,420. It is descending order. Ascending order means smallest to biggest. Descending order means biggest number to smallest number. Are you understood, children? Yes, it is the process for arranging the given numbers in ascending and descending orders by using international system of numeration. Okay students, in today's class what we learn? International system of numeration, the place value chart of international system of numeration. In there, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. It is the place value chart of international system of numeration. And also we discussed how to expand a number by using international system, and also how to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay students, we have to practice what we discuss in these 2-day classes. Next class we are going to discuss another topic. Okay students, bye.